Plot smooth line with PyPlot. I've got the following simple script that plots a graph. As it is now, the line goes straight from point to point, which looks okay, but could be better in my opinion. What I want is to smooth the line between the points. In NewPlot I would have plotted with smooth sepia lines. Is there an easy way to do this in PyPlot? I found some tutorials, but they all seem rather complex.
You could use scipy.interpolate.spline to smooth out your data yourself. Spline is deprecated in SciPy 0.19.0, used Spline class instead. Switching from Spline to Spline isn't a straightforward copy/paste and requires a little tweaking. Before. After.
For this example, spline works well, but if the function is not smooth inherently and you want to have smoothed version, you can also try. If you increase sigma, you can get a more smoothed function. Proceed with caution with this one. It modifies the original values and may not be what you want.
See the scipy.interpolate documentation for some examples. The following example demonstrates its use for linear and cubic spline interpolation. Slightly modified for increased readability.
One of the easiest implementations I found was to use that exponential moving average the tensor board uses.